Hello, my name is Socalled, I'm from Montreal, and I was asked at the last minute to come and offer some help for the Yiddish impaired, okay? So I know it's been an awful lot of Yiddish so far today, maybe too much, but exactly 18 years ago, a young rapper named Big L was assassinated in New York City. But one thing that he left as an incredible source of, it's a very interesting cultural artifact, is this thing called, a song he wrote called Ebonics, okay? You know it? Amazing song. It's truly a masterpiece of rap where Big L breaks down street language, slang, in 3 incredible verses, okay? It's really, it's out of control. So, I have prepared something called Hebonics, which attempts to do the same thing, but for Yiddish, all right? So here we go. I just wrote it. Give me a break, people. Thank you. Let's see here. All right. Hebonics. Yeah. Schmatter is closed, your nose is your nose. Autozoinate Schneider means that's the way the tailor sews. If you got geld, that means you got money. Russian kiss are raisins, and Honig is honey. Lach, it was funny. A divorce is a get. To kvel is to gush over, to schwitz is to sweat. Your soul is neshama, let's together is lomir. If you keep the Sabbath, which is Shabbos, you're shomer. To pray is to bench, a good guy is a mensch. Deutsch is German, English, and Französisch is French. Cult is schwer. A square dance is a share. You get tzedakah if you care, and vary is there. Gatkes are knickers, too much yatch makes you snicker. To plots is to freak out, and your house is your ticker. I know you like the way I'm freaking it. I speak abyssal Yiddish even though everyone stops speaking it, speaking it, speaking it, speaking it. Was machst du is how I ask you how you feel. A fool's a schmendrick, an idiot's a schlemiel. Add an L to make diminutive, like Laban to label. Toches off and tish means put your ass on the table. Sausage is wurscht, the holiday is yontif. Dreck is shit, couldn't find a Yiddish word for the pontiff. Zetz is hit, Narishkeit's being silly. Tzigazint's how they say word up in Yiddish in Philly. If it's kosher, then you shouldn't bring a pig in. Face is punim, a pleasure is a faganigan. Fagel is bird, but it also means gay. If you're lost, you're for... Okay. Fagel is bird, but it also means gay. If you're lost, you're for blunged. Understand? Versteh. Lots of way to say, oh my God. All right. Dance. Break it down now. We're almost done. Just one more verse, Moses. Please. All right. Language is Lushan. A blessing is a brocha. Tate mama is parents, family is mishpocha. Party is a verbringen, to play is to spiel, singing is zinging, and too much is to feel. A wise guy's a knacker, Gibbazetz means smacker. Matzahs is kinda like a Passover cracker. Shix is a non-Jewish girl, Chazer's a pig, Enough's genig. If it's gois, that means it's big. I saw a goy, that means you're foreign. The good old days are melech subgitskutskis yogen. Feast is feet, fleisch is meat, brei means to fry, nochamol repeat. That's the way alavai. He is air, I am ich, sie is she, mir is we. Gekaken af en yam means go shit on the sea. I know you like the way I'm freaking it. I speak abyssal Yiddish even though everyone stops speaking it, speaking it, speaking it.